after 3 years. So I thought, how can I do it with my bare hands? I saw that many people can't take Canva Pro, even after watching YouTube. So I thought I would give it to myself. First of all, I say watch the video carefully, without dragging it. I know everyone showed the same way, but if not, then I will buy it. So let us see how to get Canva Pro 2024. Let's see, choose browser and type Pingo Tingo, hit the enter. Select first link, scroll down and check how to use Canva. And click this images. Scroll down. Hold on, no need to move anywhere. After finish the time, then select the download button. Don't be late selected. Get here. You can select it for verified any kind of mail temp or Google as you like, but I selected Google. Hit your mail, then press continue. Now just see result. Listen if you can't get it. No worry. Just comment me. If it's very, very important, then first comment me. Trust me, I'm doing something for you. Thanks for watching.